Open Mind Level 1, Unit 8 Test. Listen to the conversation in a clothing store, then choose true or false.
Hello. How can I help?
I'd like to try on this sweater.
Sure. Is that one the right size? It's a size 6.
No, it's too small. Do you have it in a size 8?
Yes. Here you are.
Thank you. Well, how much is it?
It's $65. No, sorry. These are $55.